Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Sezzle.com account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box and type in Sezzle.com and search. Once you end up in the official web page of Sezzle, go ahead and click on the login option at the top right corner. Select whether you'd like to log in with a shopper account or a merchant account. Select the type of your Sezzle account you would like to log into. And once making the selection, you will then need to enter your credentials. In the login area, go ahead and enter your phone number and click on the continue button. On the next page, enter the 6 digits code that has been sent to you via the phone number that you provided, and once you type in the 6-digit code, you will be able to log into your Sezzle account. So that is how easy it is to sign into Sezzle. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.